All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Sunday's adverb. No, preposition. That's it. So abroad. Abroad. Yes, in a different country. So let's try and get a picture, so like a world. There we are. There we are. Abroad, different country. Very good, yeah. So let's change that. Very good. So I go abroad every year. I need to go abroad. We have not been abroad for a while. They or she is always traveling abroad. He wants to go abroad this year. He wants to go abroad this year, yeah. Yeah. I am often abroad in Mexico every year. How cool is that? We're looking for someone from abroad. We're looking for this person. We think he's from abroad. We are looking for this person. We think he is from abroad. We're looking for this person. He's from abroad. Yeah. I am from abroad. Yeah, I'm from a different country. Yeah. How cool is that? They planned to go abroad for a while. So they had plans to go abroad. They had plans to go abroad. I want to go abroad. She wants to go abroad with me. It only works when we are abroad. Yeah. So he has a business and needs to travel abroad to see his clients. His clients, new clients, old clients. Yeah, to see something. He needs to travel abroad. They, I, he, it, he. Very good. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So, we're planning to go abroad soon. Yes, so I might go abroad soon. Yeah, I might go to Gibraltar. And while I am there, I might go abroad and visit Spain. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Every 6 months, I need to go abroad for at least 24 hours. Yeah, so I often need to go abroad to ensure that things are working. If I don't go abroad, I might get into trouble. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. If I don't go abroad, yeah. He won't go abroad until he changes his mind. Yeah, he won't go abroad until he changes his mind. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, so abroad, going to a different country, or from a different country. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use abroad in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.